Alright, I found out these little cameras here, Blurams, actually work pretty well. This is the charger port and the charger cord. They actually give you a pretty good length cord, 3 feet, 4 feet long. You just plug it in, plug this into the back. There's a button back here. You hold it down until this green light will turn red for you and it starts flashing. And then you go to an app that's designed for these specifically, and you download or you connect to your Wi-Fi. And in moments you have a working camera. I'll give you a demonstration of what the app can do. So just go to this Blurams app. And so let's try this one, right? So we go all the way down, go up, side. So as you can see, it's a pretty awesome app. You can also call it. You can call your app. You can record with your app. And then anytime you want to go back and look at your videos, you can hit library and all events. And you take the date. Let's try the 28th. And those recordings. And this is a pretty good app. I give it 5 stars. Thank you, Jimmy.